let's get into it. Let's just get into it. This is NIO. NIO, our old friend. Not NIO from the Matrix, but or is it, right? So this is NIO. This is the daily time frame right here. These are the moving averages, these little definition of those. We're going to talk about what it's doing right now, the technical analysis. So we can see like where are we trading at? What's going on? So we have a line here, right? This line coming down here, this blue line, this one, okay? So with that line, I want to show you the stock hit here, it bounced off. It hit here again, it bounced off. People bought. That's why it went up. People bought it up, okay? When it came here, people bought it up. That's why it went up again. Same, all right? So this is like a downward trend line, but there was support. Okay, we know this. When we came here, see, it was like walking on the floor of a house. Boom, boom, boom. People bought it up. We're getting close to that area again. So what is this price point here? $3.72. So I'm not saying it's going to go there, but if it does, this was prior support. A support like a floor of a house. So we may walk on that and go up again. So you would want to know, okay, maybe I want to buy here. Not financial advice, right? But you could set some alerts for that area. So when it comes in here, and then you have to realize that, well, you know, it may not actually just go to $3.72 because, you know, there's things out there called market makers and everything. Just to give you a hard time, it may just go a little bit above it, you know, just a little bit above it so you don't catch it. So, a little bit above that blue line. So you want to know in this purple line is your buy zone. Okay, so within here is good reason to try to do it, something within here. Okay, so you could dollar cost average away in here, okay, because you don't want to miss out. If you know, if you're into the stock and everything like that. You see how sometimes it can go a little lower? See this candle here? It went a little lower. So you may want to like, okay, let me have a order already out, a limit order to buy here because it picks back up and it goes up again. Okay, so just here I want to talk about that line and I wanted to talk about that line, okay, as support levels. Okay, now what's this here? What's this part in here, Miss Moneymaker? Anything that moves. If you like this content, click like, subscribe. Right, so what are we doing in here? So in here, you see how we kind of hit our head, ceiling in the house. We came back down. This is a floor, ceiling, hit our head on the ceiling and a floor of a house, right? So this is resistance up here. We hit our heads, people sell. That's what that means. We have support, like support of a house, a floor. People buy. So here, right, we're having support again. Within this bigger channel is also this little thing going on. That's what I'm saying. Okay? So this big line going this way, downward upper line here, people sold here. People sold here. And they did it here 3 times. So even if we base out here and we want to go up, that may happen again. People might sell here. Okay, look at the price levels that I'm talking about as this stuff is happening. The prices are here. Okay, you can see the price of the stock on this side as I'm talking. So I'm saying if we go up and we hit here, boom. So what's that area? See, something like that, $4.75, something like that, right? People may sell there again, knowing because I can see this line. So other people, other stock traders can see it as well. Okay, this line keeps going down like that. Okay, so that's what may happen. So we could bounce here and go up, or see this gap between here? We may go a little down to fill that gap. Hold on. So what am I saying? Okay, I clicked it. Yeah, good. Okay, we may go down to somewhere like there because, okay, see how we had a little bit of resistance here? These candles, okay, with that price level, $4.16, we may go see this empty space? We may fill that empty space and go back down here to fill it, to go back down to that level. We may do that and go up. We don't know. So we may hit $4.16, okay, and go up. So that's one level of support that may happen. But if not, then we could, like I said, we could go further down into this area. We have support here. We have support here. So we may go down into this zone. So I want everybody to be aware, $4.16, $3.72 if we go down. Okay, we don't have to. Now, what about the other side if we go up? If we go up, you need to look out for a little bit of resistance. We have to break through this line. So you see it's $5 here, okay? Right? We would have to break through, get up out of this line, see? And then all whole dollars always give us a problem when we're under $10. You have to fight your way through $10, okay? Then we have to go around here. See how before we hit our head on the ceiling, okay? So that's like 550. And then you see here, another whole number. That's how it goes. You know, don't be mad at me. I don't make it happen. I'm just the messenger, okay? So, but these are potential levels. So this is what everybody who's still here. So look at this. Looky. Look, see. Okay, let's say we catch a support around here. Okay. So if we catch a support around here, if we go up here, see the only problem with NIO is that the risk to reward right now, see it says $2, 2.5. We want this to be above a 3. We want our risk to reward ratio to be above a 3. It's only 2.5 right there. Okay, we want this above a 3. Okay, so you would have to adjust your stop something weird. Like if you bought here, if you bought in here, where we're at now, you would have to say, hey, if we, see how everything changes? You would be saying, okay, I'll buy here, but if we go below this area, I'm out. But if we go up, and especially up to here, you would be making that. See, 7. It would be, the risk reward ratio is a 7. Anything above 3 is good. Okay, I want to show you something else. I won't take this off. I'm going to leave it. Okay, what else do I have to show you? Well, this. Because let's just say where we're at right now, $4.30. If we went up here to this area, okay, do you see that this is 38%? Boop. Okay, that you can make if we go up. All right. So just showing you that so you can get a little perspective and everything. We could go down, but if we go up from here, okay, you should have a stop loss under you in your brokerage account somewhere, okay, where you're saying, okay, enough is enough, okay, because we could always go lower. You never know with this market, or we can go up. Don't know. But I wanted to make sure you saw all of this. And I wanted to leave you with this. This guy right here, Mr. Man, he said, freedom from the desire for an answer is essential to the understanding of a problem. So he's saying be free from desire for an answer sometime if you really want to understand what's going on, what the problem is. So freedom from the desire for an answer is essential to understanding of a problem. Okay, he was a philosopher. All righty. Always like to, learn something every day. Why not? So a little something else for us to know. Okay. See you next time. Click like, subscribe.